Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a front-end developer here at Liferay, and welcome to using themes to brand the platform. Our objective in these videos is to learn how to control the branding of the platform by creating and customizing theme modules. To do this, we'll use the NPM Theme Generator to generate a custom theme, and we'll customize the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, and then create custom platform settings in the theme. We'll also create reusable components with themelets. If you completed the first module, you can skip these steps, but if you haven't, you'll want to make sure you have these prerequisites fulfilled. You need to have Java JDK 11 installed on your machine, as well as unzip the module exercise files to the following folder structure. If you're on a Windows machine, the C:/Liferay folder. If you're on a Unix system, your user/home/Liferay folder. Finally, you'll want to have NPM, Yeoman, Gulp, and the Liferay Theme Generator installed. You can install Node and NPM first at nodejs.org, and then you can run npm install -g, yo, and gulp first, and then once that's complete, run npm install -g generator Liferay theme. All right, with that out of the way, let's talk about adding custom branding to Liferay with themes. Now, if you remember our example of Livingstone Hotel and Resorts, Kaito Tanaka and his web team are responsible for tailoring the user experience and implementing the design mockups on the platform. So his primary work responsibilities are going to be to design graphic UI elements, develop the mockups that demonstrate how the site should look and work, and then work on the style standards for fonts, colors, and images. He'll gather and address user feedback on design, and then create original graphic designs. Developers like Kaito can build custom themes in order to implement that branding across different sites on the platform. Theme modules are a collection of packaged files, which include SCSS files, JavaScript, images, FreeMarker templates, and theme configurations. When a theme is first generated, you can choose to use one of two different styles. Either unstyled as your base theme, which maintains minimal functionality and has no styling itself, or the styled theme, which inherits the functionality from the unstyled theme, but adds the clay CSS base. That's our SCSS implementation of the lexicon design language. To build and customize a new theme, we can do the following. We create the theme, which is generating the source files from one of the two base themes. We customize the HTML, define the styles in our SCSS files, customize images, and add JavaScript. Finally, we finish that using theme module configurations. The Liferay Theme Generator is a Yeoman-based generator that can be used for quick and easy development of Liferay themes. You simply run yo for Yeoman, and then Liferay-theme in your command line. There are a few subgenerators included as well. For layouts, you can generate layout templates with an interactive visual editor. With themelets, you can create small, reusable pieces of CSS and HTML for your themes. And with the import subgenerator, you can import pre-existing Liferay themes which were created in a Liferay SDK environment. You can import pre-existing Liferay themes from the SDK environment into the NPM process. This is especially useful if you created your theme previously in Liferay 6.2 or below. When we customize the theme source files, we'll want to know what are the important files we should be looking at. There's the portal normal FTL, which contains the main structure of your HTML pages. The custom SCSS file, which is used as the main SCSS source file for global styling, which is used for your global JavaScript, and a Liferay look and feel XML, which is used to add theme configurations. To customize the theme HTML files, we want to look at the portal normal FTL. This breaks down into three main sections within the wrapper div and the body. The banner section includes the top part of a page with its own sections as well, and the content section includes the code needed to render widgets and content. Finally, the footer section includes the bottom of the page, and of course that can be customized as well. Now, as mentioned in the previous video, FTL files stand for FreeMarker template. And within Portal Normal, you'll see a number of different FreeMarker uses throughout the file. For example, developers can find the control menu macro that adds the control menu widget at the top of the platform, which has the @liferay.control_menu syntax. Another example can be found in the header with the include navigation statement. This is using a FreeMarker if statement combined with an include directive to read the navigation.ftl file. This snippet here says, if has navigation and is setup complete, include within the full templates path navigation.ftl. Now, some aspects of the Portal Normal are simply read and kept as separate FTL files. Within the base themes, this includes navigation, portal pop-up, and the portlet FTL files. The Portal Normal file includes these files by using the #include and then the full templates path and then the file name FTL tag. There are many FreeMarker variables that are provided by default for you to use within Liferay. The init.ftl file is a very special file found in the base theme that includes all of the variables and Liferay APIs available to you. This is where developers can find those variables used throughout FreeMarkerfiles in their base theme. If you'd like to add your own custom variables and macros, you should do that in the init custom.ftl. The init FTL includes a line that tells it to read the custom init FTL file. This allows developers to add any custom variables or macros without needing to modify the init.ftl file directly. Now, at the top of the init.ftl file, you'll find many commonly used variables, such as theme display, portlet display, or things like the CSS class, which are used to add the CSS classes to the body tag in your portalnormal.ftl. Okay, it's time for a knowledge check. Pause the video, see if you can answer these questions, and then come back and we'll go through it together. Themes are used to modify the look and feel of sites to utilize Liferay to reflect your brand image. HTML, CSS, images, and JavaScript can be implemented to change the overall look and structure of pages in Liferay. Base themes built using the Liferay Theme Generator include the Clay base. The portalnormal.ftl is the HTML source file in a theme. Custom.scss can be modified to change global styling. Main.js contains JavaScript to be loaded on every page. Liferay look and feel.xml can be used to add settings to the platform. Okay, for our first exercise together, we're going to be creating the Livingstone Fjord theme. Here are our goals. We'll want to install Visual Studio Code and add code snippets. We'll use the NPM Theme Generator to create a new theme. We'll set up some initial theme variables and modify the HTML source file and add some footer code. And then finally, we'll deploy the initial base theme and see our changes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.